How to remove Android restrictions in File Manager. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device, insert ZArchiver. Install this application. After that, open the application and click on OK. After you've pressed on OK, allow access to manage all files. Turn this on. You'll find all your files in here, and you will have complete power of this file manager, as sometimes file managers restrict your files. Then go to your home screen, hold on to the app and go to App Info. Then click on Permissions and allow permissions to all the options available. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to remove Android restrictions in File Manager. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.